You can improve print quality just with one setting. In Creatility Print, it's pressure advance. In other software, it might be called linear advance, and you can change it here by enabling this feature and setting the value for pressure advance. To get this value, you can print test, open drop down, calibration, and pressure advance. Choose your extruder type and choose method. I prefer PA line and press OK. To see actual test, we need to slice plate, and now you can see the actual test. So in test, you should look at this part. Printer will start printing from left side to the right and increasing speed during printing. So this part where printer will slow down again should be less blobs, no breaks in line, and the best printed line should be your value for pressure advance. So as you can see, the best value is about 0.5606. I can use lower value, but for overall general printing, 0.56 is best choice. Lower values are too broken. So after printing this test, I have got a value about 0.5606. Need to set this value to apply it. If you new to Creatility Print, you might be in default mode. So if you try to set value, there will be no field for actual value. So to get, you can press advance here or here, enable this feature and set the actual value. Now you can print with better quality. Thanks for watching.